How are you? How was your week? How is it going? Um, Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching you about numbers. Ethiopian alphabet is called Fidel. This is what it says here, Fidel. So today we'll be learning about numbers. Okay, 0 is 0. 0 is 0. 0. And means 1. And 1. Hulet means 2. Sost means 3. Arat means 4. Amist means 5. Sidist is 6. Sebat is 7. Siment is 8. Zeten is 9. Asir is 10. Now, when I start 11, it will be Asrahand. 10 is Asr, Asrahand. And then it will continue Asrahand, Asrahulet, Asrasost. Just to give you a hint so that you'll understand. Asr is going to continue. Asrahand, Asra and. Asra and means 11. So it looks actually easier in Amharic when it is Asra and. Sometimes English is easier. Sometimes Amharic I find it easier. So this one I think you will get it easily. Asra hulet. Asra hulet means 12. Asra sost means 13. Asra arat means 14. Asra amist. Asra amist 15. Asra sidist. Asra sidist 16. Asra sebat. Asra sebat. Asra sebat 17. Asra siment. Asra simint. Asra simint 18. Asra ዘጠኝ. Asra ዘጠኝ. Asra ዘጠኝ 19. Haya is 20. So the next one is going to be Haya and Haya hulet, Haya sost. So Haya is going to be used like 21, 22, 23. Haya is 20. So just to keep in mind. Haya and 21. So Haya is 20 and is 1. So same way could be added to 30, 40, 50. You know, we can say 31. Like Salasa and Haya and Salasa and Arba and. It will continue. It's just to give you idea how you can work it out to say to add numbers in 20s, 30s, 40s. So please look the hint and then try to work all of the others, because I just put the main ones. Like here, Selasa is 30. So as I show you in 20, if you want to add 31, you just write Selasa and Selasa hulet. You know, just check the 21. I hope you'll understand it. Selasa is 30. So that is a hint. Arba is 40. Hamsa is 50. Silsa is 60. Saba is 70. Samania is 80. Zetena is 90. Zetena. And meto 100. And meto is 100. And meto. So 100 is meto. Meto is 100. And meto is 100. And million. And million. And million is 1 million. And shih. And shih is 1000. Okay. አመሰግናለሁ. አመሰግናለሁ. Thank you. I would also like to say thank you for watching. And yeah, please like us, share and subscribe, and please follow of Ethiopian cultural videos and language. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. See you next time.